Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that all of you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. After looking at these leaves, you would be thinking that what is wrong with my garden. Actually, today's video is not about any specific topic or any specific plant. It's all about the mess in my garden. Basically, I was away from my garden for almost 1.5 months. So, see what's going on here. It has become a jungle, and few plants are doing very well, like this ficus and this moringa, which is overgrown now, but few of them died and few of them are dying, like this palm. It is drying out. I don't know what was the reason. Even this lemon, it's totally dead. No, I think I have a hope still. It's re-sprouting, so I have to fix this also. Then I've lost this spider plant. Anyways, so today I am going to fix this mess up, and then I will show you that how it will look. This side is giving a look of a jungle. Somehow I like it also, but these dried leaves I have to remove, and it needs a lot of pruning here. Then this shelf, it's also damaged. I don't know how. Maybe a cat jumped from the shed probably, and this green net is also out of its place. Then what? Then here, this plant is doing really well. It was so tiny when I left, and even these chili plants, I have to give them some support, otherwise they are nice. This one is overgrown. I have to trim this. Here I lost this one also. Half of it is dead now. I have to prune this, but down there, actually this plant we have to train. If you will not train it, then it will just go down and down. So we need to train this plant how we want to have it in our garden. And then these ones have to be fixed. A little bit pruning and cutting is required. Here all dead leaves I have to remove. So I will fix this. And this Rangoon creeper was covering this whole shed, but in my absence it fell down on the gate, and I had to tell someone to cut it, and now it has re-sprouted. It also needs to be trimmed, and I have to fix it, like I have to tie it somewhere so that it will grow on one side instead of spreading everywhere. Then some of mint is dried and some is still fresh. So let's see how it will work. Here all this one is also overgrown. This I have to prune. In fact, it needs a lot of pruning. And here also this net have come down. I think it was a thunderstorm. That's why things are out of place here. This one has become bushy. I have to prune this also, so that to clean this area. Otherwise there will be so many lizards and cats will hide in it. Anyways, in that corner there you can see that spinach, Malabar spinach is overgrowing. Not overgrowing, it's growing nicely, but this green one has overgrown, so I have to fix this also. Pomegranate is doing well. Even this lavanda is doing well. It has grown taller than before. So let me fix this all, and then I will show you that how it looks. I have to give it a nice reshuffling and pruning and cutting and all that. Okay, let's see how it will look. I will clean it and then I will show you. So finally, after all the pruning, cutting, reshuffling and rearranging of the plants, I could get this look of my garden. Most important thing is that I could make space in this walkway to move freely, otherwise it was just crowded with plants. And for that, few plants are moved on this place, and few of them I have kept outside again, just for better sunlight and for better arrangement of my plants. They are also happy, and we also got space to walk freely here. This one is also nicely resprouting new leaves and blooming. Now it's the season for Rangoon creeper. Actually, we have cut it from here itself with the wall. It is retaking its place, in fact. And here I have pruned them nicely, and few of them which were already doing well, I did not cut them. But now they are a little lighter, so inshallah they will grow nicely with new leaves and broader leaves now. And yes, one more thing, I have fixed this one also, this time with a heavy rope, a stronger one, so that it will not be loose again. And this all took me around 3 to 4 days to complete. Almost everything is done, not everything, I would say almost everything is done. Why it took me so long? Because first of all, I wanted to have a helping hand to move these heavy pots from one place to another, so I have to look into the availability of that also. And second thing, why it took so long, because the weather is not favorable. Nowadays in UAE, we are facing sandstorms daily, and the heat is too much that you can't work in that temperature. Like, it is probably more than 45 degrees every day. So I'm waiting for the weather to be more favorable, and then I will start working on the new plants here on this grill. Again, we will put up the bottles with those flowers like last year. And yes, I have removed the shelf from here which was broken. Like this, there was a shelf, right? So I have removed it and replaced this plant, this bougainvillea here, to cover up the wall. Probably we will start with new plants in October, or inshallah in start of November. So viewers, that's all for today. Inshallah, I will see you with another video with some new information and new topic. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay blessed, stay healthy, take care, and Allah Hafiz.